Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this soft blue halo inspired makeup look. First, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in medium brown to fill in my eyebrows. I like to work my way out at the bottom of my brow first and go all the way out with my arch and outline the shape. Then I'm going to brush out my eyebrows just to figure out how I'm going to get the shape that I'm looking for. I'm going for more of a natural look because I really want all the attention to be on the eyes. I'm gonna do the same thing at the top of my eyebrow, and also I'm gonna fill in any sparse areas that I have. For me, it's usually at the arch of my eyebrow. Now for the beginning of my eyebrow, right by the bridge of my nose, I like to use light vertical strokes to get more of a natural look and a fuller eyebrow. Now I'm gonna take my Girl HD Pro Conceal in Pure Beige to carve out my eyebrows and also to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a damp beauty sponge just to blend everything out. Now I'm going to take the dope Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shades Butter and Powder and pack them on a crease with a blending brush. I'm using windshield wiper motions just to blend everything out. Now I'm going with a second layer just to get the color showing more. Next, I'm going to take Hudson Jacks to deepen my crease width, and to create more depth, I'm just taking a crease shader brush to get that going. I'm going to go in again with a second layer just to get the color to show even more. And I'm gonna take in a blending brush just to blend everything out to my liking. Now to carve out my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in back with my concealer that I used. And the trick that I like to do is to look up to figure out where my crease folds. And I'm gonna pack in that concealer in the center of my eyelid. It's okay, it doesn't have to look perfect, because with a halo eyeshadow look, we get to manipulate how the colors go in, and I'll show you in a bit. Now I'm gonna take Enchanted, which is a hunter green color, and I'm gonna work it on my inner corner. I'm using my crease shader brush again, and I'm gonna blend it out with the concealer. Now I'm gonna do the same exact thing for the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take this black shadow called a Base and put it on top of Enchanted just to deepen the eyeshadow look even more. Don't worry, I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, this is looking super crazy, but that's why I'm going to take a blending brush just to blend everything out. Oh my god, now I'm going to take my favorite color. I'm going to take Twerk and put it on the center of my eyelid. It's this really pretty navy shimmery eyeshadow shade, and I feel like it looks really flattering. Instead of my finger, now I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush just to make sure I distributed the color well. Now I'm going to take the blending brush again just to blend out my inner and outer corner. Now I'm going to go back in with Hunts and Jacks again to deepen my crease even more. And take a blending brush just to blend out any harsh lines. Moving on to my face, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Primer to prime my face. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever HD foundation and I'm going to pack it on with a foundation brush. Yo, it looks like I put so much foundation, and I use 3 pumps because I've seen people using 3 pumps, but this is a lot for me. Definitely if you're looking for full coverage, I'd recommend you doing that. And make sure to get any areas like behind your ears or your hairline. And also I like to use my foundation brush just to carve out the top of my eyebrows like this. I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge just to blend everything out. Now I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm in the shade NW35. And I'm going to use this to highlight under my eyes. And the trick that I like to do with my concealer brush is to create the cat eye eyeshadow shape that I want. So you don't necessarily need to use tape if you really need it. And I'm going to do that on the other side of my eye. And I'm also going to put on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in Toast to contour my face. And you guys could tell it's not a darker shade compared to my skin complexion. And that's because I clearly got a tan. Y'all should be happy that your girl got some melanin over the summer. So I'm going to take Toast and I'm going to put it at my cheekbones, the temples of my head to get my 5 head into a 4 head. I'm also going to use this to contour my nose, and I'm going to put it on my jawline just to hide that double chin. Now I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge to blend out under my eyes, and I'm going to use a contour brush to blend out my nose contour. Next, I'm going to take this face sculpting brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics to blend out my contour and my cheekbones and really blend everything out. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my damp beauty sponge again just to blend out any harsh lines and to get my face looking good. Now I'm going to set my face with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Beauty Shield Setting Powder in Sheer Golden. Next, I'm going to take this peach shade by the Dark Blush Palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I like to distribute it on my cheekbones, and I like to smile a little just to distribute the color well. Since your girl felt like she put too much blush, I'm just gonna go back in with this powder brush just to tone it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this gold highlighter from the Carli Bybel collaboration with BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and my cheekbones. Just so you know, after putting on that highlighter on, I felt like Beyonce, but I'm gonna stop playing. And now I'm gonna move on and put Twerk on my lower lash line just to bring the eyeshadow look together. Now I'm gonna take my favorite drugstore mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I'm gonna pack this on my bottom and upper lashes. For some nude lips, I'm gonna take the Gerard Cosmetics 1995 lipstick, and I'm gonna put this all over my lips. I'm gonna set everything with the Maybelline Facestudio Master Fix Setting Spray. Yo, it looks like I've been drowning with that setting spray, but that is the final look. Peep that slow-mo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. Bye.